Welcome back to the Institch tutorial series. Today, we're unlocking another brand new feature, Text Embroidery. That's right, you can now add words directly in Institch without having to doodle each letter one by one. Just a few clicks, and your text is in the design. Let's check out how it works. All right, let's jump right into the Institch interface. On the top left corner of the canvas, hit the Text button. You'll see a drop-down menu pop up. There are 10 fonts in total. 7 English, 1 Arabic, 1 Russian, and 1 Chinese. Let's go with Original Surfer. Now, just move your mouse over to the canvas and click once. Boom, Institch drops in a preset text for you. Want to see it in 3D? Super easy. Just select the text, and on the right-hand side under Parameter, you can fine-tune all the details. For example, under Font Type, swap to any font you like. In the text box, type in whatever you want, then hit Create. Done! Selecting the text, drag the gap slider to adjust spacing between letters. Use font height to scale everything up or down evenly. Aspect ratio lets you stretch letters wider or narrower. Font italic tilts your text. Space width adjusts spacing between words. Next, check out the Stitch Improve tab to click Opens and pick your stitch compensation. Under Underlay, you'll find more stitch options. And the last one, function code controls jump stitches: none, trim, jump, or stop. Now here's a cool trick. Instead of sliders, you can also grab those white anchor points around the text and drag to reshape. The numbers on the right update in real time. Also, don't miss the font edit panel below your text. Here you can switch layouts: angled up, angled down, or even an arch shape. And if you mess up, just click the last option to reset back to a straight baseline. Want it bigger or smaller instantly? Use zoom in or zoom out. Need a duplicate? Click copy. Don't like it anymore? Hit delete. Super quick and clean. And that's it for the text embroidery feature. Super easy to use, and it really expands your creative options. This is just one part of the tutorial series, so check out the other videos for more new features. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.